Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel IoT Frontier. In the previous video, we have seen what Neuron is, discussed its various features and capabilities. If you haven't watched it yet, click on the top right corner to watch it now. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Neuron in simple steps. First, we need to browse to neuron.com, and here in the top, you can see download Neuron. Click on this button. You can click on this Neuron button again. So if you see here, Windows x64 will be there. I can click. Now we can see the Neuron installer has been downloaded. So I can click on extract. So it will extract here. Once it is extracted, it will open this file. We'll just have to right click on it and run as administrator. You will see something like this. Then click on run away anyway. So you will be able to see Neuron setup wizard. You just have to accept the agreement and click on next and use the full installation so that all the modules will be installed. This is the default port. If you want to use a different port, you can use it. And this is the name of the node and install. It takes less than a minute. Now we should keep all these as checked so that it will run as a service, and click on finish. Once the Neuron is installed, you have to go to your Chrome or any other browser and type localhost :8003. Then it will open Neuron web user interface. So you need to provide username and password. The username should be admin and the password should be Neuron, that is N3URON. And once you have logged in, you will be able to see the Neuron user interface. Now let's see how you can change the default password. So go to the config, go to the users and groups. You can click on admin and here you can change the password and click on save. So now the password has been changed. So I am able to log in with the new password. I hope this video is informative, and if yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.